Good morning, student. Now our next topic is Ampere's circuital law. According to Ampere's circuital law, the closed integration of B dl, line integral of B, is constant. And what is the constant? This constant is B dl is equal to mu naught I. Here I is total current passing through loop. Loop is a closed circuit is called loop. Any closed line segment is called loop. According to Ampere's circuital law, if we have a current carrying conductor having current I, and suppose here the some amount of magnetic field is created, and the magnetic field which here is created around any closed loop will remain same. On this line it will remain same. Got it? Suppose it's a 50 unit, 50 Tesla magnetic field, and the distance is 20 centimeter from the conductor. Then we have 1000. What we have 1000? We have 1000 B closed integration of DL. This is the B and this is the total line which we have. Means this term remain constant. It means if we increase the distance, or I will say if we increase the length of closed loop, then B will decrease, and it is practically possible. जब हम करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर से दूर जाएंगे तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की वैल्यू क्या होगी? कम होगी, और जो क्लोज्ड लाइन सेगमेंट बनेगा उसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी? बढ़ जाएगी, क्योंकि दूर जाने पे बड़ा सर्कल बनेगा. ठीक है, तो दिस इज अकॉर्डिंग टू एम्पियर सर्किटल लॉ. दिस रिमेन्स सेम, कांस्टेंट रहने वाला है. एंड वो कांस्टेंट वैल्यू क्या होगी? जहां आपका करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर रखा है उस मीडियम की परमेबिलिटी म्यू नॉट, इट विल रिमेन सेम until and unless medium will change, and the current passing through any conductor, and this is necessary condition, the current is passing through the loop also. ठीक है, तो it means mu naught I is a constant value for any conductor placed any medium, placed any, here we have write mu naught means free space, it will remain same constant term. Then if we change integration of DL means length of closed loop, then definitely B will change. And how it change? The product of B line close integration of DL will same, this value will same. Suppose we have moved at the distance where the closed loop is 40, हम वहां चले गए, ये 20 ये नहीं है, 20 सेंटीमीटर क्लोज लूप की लेंथ है किसी डिस्टेंस पर. अब हम थोड़ा और दूर चले गए, कितना दूर चले गए कि 40 सेंटीमीटर हो गई, 40 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टेंस पर हम पहुंच गए. तो इसका मतलब यहाँ पर क्या रह गया होगा? यहाँ पर 25 टेस्ला मैग्नेटिक फील्ड रहा होगा. और डेफिनेटली इट इज क्लियर कि मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जब करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर से पीछे शिफ्ट होंगे तो डिक्रीज होता चला जाएगा. तो ये डिक्रीज इसी रेशियो में होगा कि द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ बी डी एल विल ऑलवेज रिमेन सेम, it will always remain same. means 1000 ही रहने वाला है. ये क्या? टेस्ला सेंटीमीटर means the length magnetic field cross closed loop length. Closed loop is any closed line segment is called loop. If there is current passing, this is a circuit, then it is called loop current loop circuit. And here we have only assumed a closed path, closed line segment, so we will take is Amperian loop. What it say? Amperian loop. This imaginary line is called Amperian loop. Now statement for Amperian Ampere's circuital law. It states that line integral of magnetic field along any closed loop will always equal to mu naught times of current passing, or we can say threading, through loop. This is the statement and mathematical term. Close integration of B, as B is a vector quantity, we will write here a small vector on it, and DL, line segment, is also a vector quantity. We will write here in close integration, and it will be equal to mu naught I. Mu naught I is a scalar quantity, and we have, if two vectors give a scalar quantity, then there will be a dot product. If we will write it, this is the vector form of Ampere's law, and or V dl cos theta is equal to mu naught I, where theta, angle between B and dl, where theta, angle between B and dl. Suppose we have a current passing through state conductor. I will here we have a state conductor, XY and I is current passing through it. Then close integration of I, current passing through this loop, close integration of B dl should equal to mu naught I. Now, what is the characteristics of Amperian loop? Here, Amperian loop is an imaginary loop. We have some characteristics of Amperian loop. First, it is imaginary loop called Amperian loop. Third, it is free, or it is independent of shape and size. Third, there should be symmetry of B, means throughout the line segment B remains same. किस भी साइज या शेप पे आपको जाना पड़े उस लाइन सेगमेंट में, बट B remains same. Fourth, symmetry of angle between B and DL. Throughout the line segment, the angle between B and DL remain same. And fifth, I have here fifth, what it had? It is an imaginary, it is an, can have, yes. As it should be close and having symmetry of B and symmetry of BDL, then we can take more than line segment to close the loop. हम लूप को बंद करने के लिए एक से ज्यादा लाइन सेगमेंट ले सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे लाइन सेगमेंट में ये शर्तें होनी चाहिए कि बी उस पूरी लाइन सेगमेंट में सेम रहे, एंगल बिटवीन बी और डीएल सेम रहे. तो जहां एंगल बिटवीन बी और डीएल का चेंज हो रहा है, तो हमें लाइन सेगमेंट को फिर से ऐसे लाइन सेगमेंट लेनी पड़ेगी कि वो उस पूरे थ्रू आउट द लाइन बी और डीएल सेम रहना चाहिए, मतलब हम एक से ज्यादा लाइन ले सकते हैं उसको क्लोज करने को, बट उस पूरी लाइन में क्या होगा, उस पूरी लाइन में एंगल बिटवीन बी एंड डीएल नहीं चेंज होगा और उस पूरी लाइन में वैल्यू ऑफ बी चेंज नहीं होगी. देन वी कैन टेक more than one line segment to close the loop. हमें लूप को बंद करने के लिए एक से ज्यादा लाइन सेगमेंट ले सकते हैं. इट इज अ इमेजिनरी independent of shape and size. It should be symmetry of B, it should be symmetry of BDL, and it should be more than one line segment. This is the characteristics of any Amperian loop. Now we will do application of Ampere's circuital law. This is all about Ampere's circuital law and Amperian loop.